Hey guys, working on a 2017 Ford Explorer. I believe this is the new body, not the new one they just released. But anyway, gonna show you how to reset the oil maintenance light. We have 65% showing, so I'll just illustrate that. This is a push start option car. We're just gonna turn everything off. We walk into the car. Go ahead and click this twice. Do not have your foot on the brake as it'll start the car. You do not want to start the car. 1, 2. Actually, there we go. Sorry about that. Have a couple chimes. And what we're going to do is we're going to be using these buttons on the left side of the steering wheel. And it gives the whole, obviously I have the hood and the doors open, and he'll go through all of that. Just click OK with that piece I showed you. Now I'm going to get out of everything because I was already in there. So we're just going to go to the main menu, and you get that just clicking with the OK button. Scroll down to settings, click OK. Vehicle is the first option, click OK. And it's going to be here, it'll start you off at this top, so you just scroll down to oil life reset, click OK. And it's going to ask you to hold OK, and you just hold that same OK button. We're holding, it kind of just goes up, gives you that successful, and it resets to 100%. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope it helps.